create a build table from Pandas dataframe, we can use the function build table. This function basically creates the build style table as a dataframe. So right away I will use the return statement. Name of our dataframe dot build table. And here we need to specify a lot of the parameters. So first of all, it will be index. It will be equals to the month. As you want months to be our indexes. And the columns is gonna be in the cities. And the next parameter will be the values that we want to have. And the values will be the temperature. And then the last parameter that we want to specify will be the function, how this values will be aggregated. Func. And it will be equal max, as we want to get them by the max values. Potential.